Hi there, this is Chris Ball at myultimatesuccesssystem.com and day 17 of 90. I'm going to rush through this video because this is my second attempt at recording it because the last one went well over the 10-minute limit for YouTube. So anyway, we're on Computers Working for Money still, and we're still on myhomebasedriches.com, which is the training website which I've set up. Now, the order from Order the Elance project. As you recall, I put up a project on Elance to get someone to put together backlinks for me. I'm going to also order link building from Neil Asher. I haven't set that up. I haven't placed the order for that today as I planned to, but I have placed the other order with Elance. I'm also going to talk to you about Google Maps and Google Store, two great techniques for getting free traffic. So let's move on with this very quickly. Elance, I received 7 proposals, but only one was in budget. That was for 650 links, fewer than I wanted. None of them were PR4 and above. They were all very low levels, but that's okay. It's still 650 inbound links. The thing about it was only $135. Special offer. The guy in question, or the company in question, a very small company, has only just started using Elance and wants to get business, so they've come in at very low prices. All the other quotes were anywhere from £1,000 to £3,000, so not very good. Now, the reason why I'm also going to go for Neil Asher, and I'll rattle through this quite quickly, is that he provides 300 links. All the links are PR4 and above, and it costs £500, which is quite a lot of money. It's more than the budget I put together, which is about $750. But if it works out well, I will send you the link to do it yourself. I'm not going to do that yet. I want to actually get him doing it, actually get him putting together the links and see how it goes and see if it actually works before I actually get you guys the link. So if you want it, you can go to neilasher.com and search for it yourselves, or you can wait until I've tested it and I'm actually 100% certain that it's worthwhile giving you the link, and then I'll give it to you. But this is really what I wanted to show you today, Google Maps. Now, if you want to get in the top search results, you really need to be using this. It's called Local Business Search with Google, and it's basically designed to help you find companies in your local area doing particular things. And my aim is to get postal addresses in every large city and log them against Google. Category and description used to define the search. So what I'm going to do quickly is, rather than just rattle through that, is actually show you it, which is what took me a bit of time in the previous video. And let me go back here, go to the front page, and right, what I'm going to do is start off by just showing you Google listings. If I go dentist London, hit return, as you can see here, you've got a couple of paid for results here, a whole raft of paid for results down there, and looky, you have got 7 companies right here, right at the top of Google searches for Google London, because they've registered. Now, there are a number of dentists, lots and lots of them in London. In fact, there are probably thousands of dentists across London, and yet less than, I guess, about 20 maximum, probably about 15 actually, are actually listed here on Google. So why is that important? Okay, well, let's look at a different thing. Let's look at gardening in London. Okay, again, we've got 7, probably about 15 listed, 7 top ones right here. That's great. Now let's have a look at the niche I'm talking about. How about internet marketing training in London? Because there are people who want that. Bang. Not one. Nobody. Now we've got some very, very, very expensive links here. These are going to be costing anywhere up to $10 a click, or maybe about, well, $5 to $10 a click. Some of these will be costing. Okay, and yet right here we could have our own little map with a little pin on it saying where we are and a link to our website right there. And it's not just, now people might say, well, marketing training and stuff is not very common. Let's take out the word internet, hit the search button. Suddenly we find there are a number of marketing training companies in London, all listed. So how do you get it? How do you get your little pin on the map and put it there? So let's go back to iGoogle. I'm logged in with my account, and I go to my account, and right down here in the My Products area is a little link called Local Business Center. You go there, you add a new business, and once it comes up, let's just click on that, and you literally just put in your details here. Now, I'm going to go through and do this for every major city in the UK and the US so that I have all those things. All I need to do now is go and get the postcodes. I'm actually going to shortcut this by doing it by batch upload. Haven't got enough time on this video to show you how to do that, unfortunately, although I will be putting together a full training video for this at a later date. The next one I want to show you, and if I go back to the beginning here, is products. But before I do, let's just catch up with where I am on the process here. Now, Google Products is all about, again, getting near the top of the search results. Product price and description listed. So this is really, really important. You get all of this information on the website. People know that you're selling a product before they even click on it. They click through, they're expecting to buy a product. These are buyers you're getting. You're not just getting people searching for information that's free. These are product buyers you're actually going to get. Category and description define the search. So let's go and have a look at that right now and see what I'm talking about. Let's say we are working in the gardening niche and people want to book on gardening. Oops, gardening. Here we go, gardening book. You got a couple of Amazon links right at the top, okay, and then look at this here. You have 3 products listed right there, books on gardening, okay. Let's have a look now at laptop computers or computer. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. You've got 5 websites listed straight there, listing stores and everything. And look at this. They're in order of the products, okay? And it's multiple stores. Okay, you've got Dell, Acer, HP, Apple, and HP again. So HP's on there twice. Again, how do you get on there? I haven't got time to go through this too much, but I just want to show you that if I do Internet Training DVD, because it's a video training course that I've got, there you go. Look at that. Internet Training DVDs, there are 3 listed. Very high prices. If I were to put in there Internet Training DVD and mine comes in at $19.97, we're going to say, well, I'll have to check that one out. Okay. Again, anyone who clicks on this is not just a browser. They're looking to buy. They've seen the price. They know what it's about. They're going there to buy. That is absolutely the right type of traffic you want. So let's go back to my account. Show you how to do this one, which is, sorry, wrong place. You have to go to google.com/products. Come on. And oops, what happened there? Why didn't it come up with products? Products. Maybe I spelled it wrong. Yes, I must have done. Comes up there. You go to information for merchants and you start a data feed. And all of the information on how to do it is here in ways to submit your products, data feed instructions, and again you go down, create a data feed, and it's all done with spreadsheets as before. So I'm going to be doing that as well, and I will show you the results once it's done. So if we go back to the presentation, oops. Right, so rattling through this very quickly, my times of a premium. So I'm outsourcing the address location. Someone's actually gone off now and they're creating a list of addresses for me in all the major UK and US cities. I'm going to create multiple upload spreadsheets so that I've got spreadsheets for multiple products, multiple cities, multiple descriptions, multiple categories. It's a one-time task. You do it once and then you forget it. It's done, it's dusted. Once you're on Google Maps, you're there. Once you've got a product in there, product search, you're there. So it's easily done. That's it for this video. Keep in touch. You can keep in touch with me at Twitter/entrepreneur_me, Facebook.com on chilltime, and myultimatesuccesssystem.com. And this week we were talking about myhomebasedriches.com, which you can take a look at and get the free month subscription. Anyway, until next time, take care.